Hello, this is Michael O'Leary from Buy the Book Taxes with another video on IRS collections. Today I'm going to speak about a topic that the IRS is putting special emphasis on beginning in January 2022, the enforced collection of delinquent payroll taxes. People realize that the IRS collects taxes due if there's a balance owed upon filing their 1040 tax returns each year. Do you realize that taxes withheld from employees' paychecks and remitted by employers to the United States Treasury represent almost 70% of all government tax receipts? I didn't. Employers withhold federal income tax and FICA taxes, also known as Social Security and Medicare taxes. Businesses are required to collect, account for, and pay over these withheld taxes from employees to the United States Treasury. Employers collect through withholding, account for by filing quarterly payroll tax returns using Form 941, and pay over by remitting payments through the online electronic federal tax payment system, or EFTPS. When a taxpayer fails to pay the income tax due from filing his or her 1040 individual tax return, this is considered a civil matter, a misdemeanor. When a responsible person or people within a business willfully fail to account for and remit taxes withheld from their employees, the government considers this to be felony embezzlement and frequently makes a referral of these cases from the civil side of the IRS to the Criminal Investigation Division. That's when the agents with the guns and badges from criminal investigation show up at the business location. The responsible people could be the business owner, the chief financial officer, accounting controller, or head of the payroll department. They may decide that it's more important to the business's survival to pay the vendors this month for supplies instead of remitting the payroll taxes to the government. Do an internet search on the Department of Justice Tax Division. You will see many press releases regarding the investigation, indictment, trial, conviction, and imprisonment of three types of offenders: crooked tax preparers, scammer tax shelter promoters, and payroll tax embezzlers. Most business owners who fall behind on their payroll tax remittances don't do so because they intend to embezzle, even though there are some of those. Most just fall behind financially. Every week or 2 weeks, there's a pot of money with employees' tax withholdings sitting in the bank account. If the business can't get any more credit from lenders or vendors, it is tempting to tap into this money to keep the business running, keep paying the employees their salary, keep buying materials and paying suppliers and paying the operating expenses. You always hear business owners use the same phrase: I just need to get through the next month. There's a new client or a big order right around the corner. Once I get that, I'll catch up and get even with everything. Unfortunately, it rarely happens. One pay cycle becomes a month, becomes a quarter, becomes a year, and the next thing you know, the employer owes more than $100,000 in withheld payroll taxes, plus another $30,000 to $40,000 in penalties and interest. And the guys with the guns and badges are knocking on the door. If this situation sounds like something you're going through in your business, I can help. I'm going to share my screen. And put my contact information up. Here I am, Michael O'Leary, Norwalk, Connecticut. There's my cell, my fax, email address, website. And here are the services I provide. Income tax preparation, 1040s, 1041s for estate and trusts, and the laundry list of tax representation services, payment agreements, offer and compromise if you qualify to pay for less than 100 cents on the dollar, currently not collectible if there's some hardship, innocent spouse if you went through a divorce and there's still some tax liabilities left over. You may qualify for penalty abatement if you're trying to refinance your mortgage or sell your house and there's tax liens. I can help with that. Also, today's topic, payroll taxes, and I offer CPA quality without CPA prices. So if you have years of unfiled tax returns and you're getting aggressive collection letters from the IRS, please reach out to me. I can help. See you in the next video.